Okay, so this is a video about a Bitcoin type of currency that I think would be a very amazing, revolutionary idea. So I'm going to tell you and discuss about that right now. So what it would be is there would be a certain amount of this coin. It'd be the price is set, right? The price of it, there's a certain limited amount, so the price is set. So that's is a standard. First of all, that's number one. And then the amount of well, the standard, I'm going to tell you how the standard system works. Okay, so how the standard system works is what you have is each person, each citizen of the country, each citizen of the United States, right? Because the United States-based currency system, saving system, and everything else. It's all in one currency system to help build wealth for anyone who is willing to use it in the right way. So what it does is, we're going to just say it's the Andrew Yang style approach where we have it's kind of like a universal basic income. So it's $1,000 or 1,000, converted dollars amount worth of this currency. And that would be, so you have $1,000 of it given to you every single month to each citizen. And you have to have, you have to sign up, you have to have the full thing, registered, birth certificate, all that shit, your social security number, everything. As long as you're a citizen, it's all that matters. And, yeah, so you got $1,000 a month, and you could, how it works is, the $1,000, as you spend it, let's say that I go to someone who doesn't make as much money, someone who doesn't use much more than that $1,000 a month that they're given in the coin that they get, right? So if I go to them and I give them money, or I spend money on a service from them because they don't make much money, the tax rate is much lower. Okay, that person will get a lower service fee, and if they use their money, if anyone uses money to buy from, let's say, well, actually, it's actually the opposite way around. I kind of told you that wrong. So if there's a big corporation, someone who makes a lot of money, they go spend their money. They spend these coins that they get because they're going to acquire these coins because people are going to spend them like a currency. And so they're going to buy goods and services with these coins. And what it would do is as they acquired the coins, so say someone who doesn't have much money spends their money wisely, goes to Walmart and buys a bunch of stuff at Walmart, right? Well, Walmart automatically, once they receive these as the coin of the receivement, the value is automatically taxed to the amount in which they're supposed to be they're supposed to be taxed at. So they will actually receive their proper tax amount. As someone, let's say Walmart hires someone who doesn't make much money. Well, they'll actually, their money will be stretched further because that person is going to be taxed. They're going to receive, that person isn't going to be taxed at Walmart's rate. Okay, so each person has a unique tax rate, which is constantly adjusting. It's a constantly adjusting rate, and you have minors in the system too, but the value is being diminished by each time the large corporations suck up the money, which they do all that. They do that all the time, and so as they suck up the money, the value gets diminished. As people at the bottom get the money, this encourages mom and pop shops. It encourages small America and everything else. and it actually makes it a system that would be good for the people. And the good thing behind it is that you only get these coins, you only get these, and you can only spend them, amongst each other. So, and you only get a certain amount. You can't buy them. These coins are not purchasable. These are a non-purchasable asset. They are at a certain price, or they're like they're purchasable, but you can't just go and like go buy, go I don't know. It's like you can't buy it like and mess up the whole system. There's only a certain amount given every single month to each person. Each person that's a citizen gets this amount. So the more people that there are, the more of the money that will be moving. And then the more of it moves, the more it'll balance itself out. And if you think about it, the system would really just perfectly balance itself out. That's really what it would do. And yeah, that's exactly it. So, and honestly, I'm gonna keep this video about that because that's about all there is to it. So, yeah, the system would perfectly balance itself out because people only receive a certain amount, and you can't purchase it. You have to receive it from someone. Someone has to use it as a currency for you to receive it. So you can work for it, like Bitcoin, but you can't go and just buy it unless someone has bought it from other people who have acquired it. So ultimately, it comes down to a set amount, basically, which is dictated by the amount of people in which there are in the system, which is kind of a beautiful system that works within a country, especially if we have a fully automated economy. This is where this works really well, with automated economy. And, because we're going to have to give people money eventually. We have everything automated. It's going to have to be done. That's inevitable. Everyone knows that who follows this channel. You know that, okay? And so I hope y'all all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all have a glorious, magnificent, wonderful, beautiful, awesome, amazing, incredible, fantastic day. And, yeah. I'm high as fuck. So I'll talk to y'all later. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.